Welcome back to yet another unboxing video here on my channel, and today we have a new Casio. So this is my own purchase. I just received this one from the delivery guy and I've removed the outer envelope. So this is a really simple lower end model. Let me just unbox this one here. Got some paperwork here. All right, and here it is. Ta-da! Presenting to you the A700, and this is the latest version. Let me just remove this protective layer here. The latest version where you've got minimal text on the face or on the dial, and with all the branding and all that centered instead of the earlier version. So the A700 is not exactly a very old model, first launched in 2019, and this is one of the thinnest digital watch from Casio. Of course, it's from the lower end series. You get all the cheap build quality here with this kind of folded bracelet. Got folded end links as well, but these watches, they remain very wearable, fun to wear, fun to own, and most importantly, I think these watches, they wear very comfortably, and this is very important if you're looking for a daily watch. Now with the lens zoom in very slightly and with all the packaging out of the way, let's have a closer look at the A700 WEV. Reference number for this model is WEV-7ADF. And you can see that this is a different look from the first version launched in 2019. So those things, they have a bit of colored text going on the dial or the faceplate. This is much cleaner, classier. Alright, I really love this look. Although I'm not a big fan of all the smudge going on, this is a fingerprint magnet. Okay, but overall I'm loving the ultra thin design. Very clean design, and I think this one weighs around 50 grams. So it's going to be a joy to wear. Liking this one. Alright, so the display is also very legible. Digits are nice, clean and crisp. Of course, I'm not going to expect too much in terms of functions and technology. Alright, this is a really simple watch. I think if you can tell the time, you should be very happy with it. This measures around 35 mm, I think, left to right, so really small watch, and I really like this bracelet design. Very clean cut. Reminds me of an older Junghans digital that I once owned. Mega Futura something, that one. Right, they've got this look here. The links are just straight flat blocks. Quite interesting, but you can hear the rattling going on. This is a really low cost, low quality kind of watch. Right, so this is also a slide and adjust kind of buckle. So no need for resizing. You just need to pry open this safety catch here, and then you adjust according to your wrist size. Right, so I think I'm going to have some fun checking out this model. Probably wear this one out to town and all that. And I'll come back with a more detailed review in a few weeks. Alright, so see you then. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye.